Avers. Yeah, you're a good boy, buddy. That's what I call the sound of nature.
One hamburger and one hot dog. Breakfast of champs.
Good morning, friends. Hi-ho! Hi-ho! The saints are marching one by one. The saints are marching one by one.
When I first started this job, I told everybody that, well, I told myself that I wasn't going to tell everybody that I was a gold prospector. But then people started asking questions about me. That was like the second or third day, and I just like, yeah, I'm a gold miner.
Morning views. Check out that sky. And this is Illinois, friends. The beans, and you have the corn.
Absolutely amazing, beautiful morning. I mean, the mornings we've been having all week, awesome. This is Illinois at its best. You wake up in the morning, short sleeve shirt on, you're not freezing, there's no crazy wind. If you're from Illinois, this is the time of year that you live for. Right here. This is the weather that you live for. And you don't really get it that much. It's a small season of the year, and the rest of it is shit, friends.
Great job, great job. Great job on the grass blower, my friend. I'm usually not one to complain, but... Hey, look at the Rocky Mountains. Oh, never mind. That's just the clouds. There's the morning sun, and there's the factory I'm going inside of.
What up, guys? The workday's over. Or should I say the workday's complete? Or is it? Because it's time to go get some bro fitness in.
Can I get a medium vanilla cone?
Look at that. That's night and day's difference between the last one I got. That pays off for the last time I got ripped off. All right, a little pre-workout carbs. Well, we're gonna go home and step on the scale here and see what the damages are. What did that ice cream cone cost us?
Linda's car in repair stages.
Abraham wants to come in and hang. Abraham, come here. Oh, Abers. See if his ball's in here. It's probably outside anyway. Oh, there he is. That's how he rolls. He lets you get away from the door, and then he stands by the door and he barks. Abraham, get your behind inside. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, I'm going to use the restroom, and then I'm going to do the morning or the after work weigh-ins. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy, Abraham. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good. Where's your ball?
All right, friends, the after work weigh-in. The goal is 185. We started at 218. 195.2.
Oh! My yellow chair. Get myself a full-size van, and this thing is going in there right next to the wood burner that's going in my van. I'm going to relax here for a bit more, and then I'm going to get the lifting session underway.
Coastal Road Tripping Station, sponsored by McDonald's. Now hear that? That's the sound of juicy beef grilling on a flat top. 2 slices of cheese melting as fleeing.
Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous evening. I told you guys, this is the Illinois weather that we live for here. If you're an Illinoisan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's a slight window in the year when you can do this. Short sleeves, summer night. Perfect temperature. Oh! What's up, guys? This is like the 5th time that I've shot the ending of the video. Can I get everything out in 3 minutes? Because tonight I feel like I can just talk and talk and talk and talk, but... well, I just kind of want to keep the ending short because it's late, and, well, I probably should have already had it uploaded and done and everything. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but, well, here we are finishing out a day vlog. It's been a while since I've done a day vlog. Shot everything and edited it all in one day, and it was a pretty simple edit. It wasn't too much to it, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it, because if you're watching right now, you are one of the channel OG members. That's what I'm calling you guys, because, well, you're here watching the ending, and that means that you enjoy my content. Thank you guys very much. I really do appreciate the support. YouTube can be kind of frustrating because, well, as I said before, when I go out west and make videos, I can keep the channel growing, and then I come back to Illinois and the channel pretty much just dies. And, well, sometimes I feel like, what's the point? Sometimes I feel like the outside forces tell me, like, ha ha ha, you're trying to be a YouTuber. You're so cool. And, like, I don't know. Some people get it and other people don't get it. YouTube is freedom. And I just like enjoying, like, I enjoy creating content and putting out with you guys, but, like, you know, it's a marathon. And it's not a sprint. That's something that I have to remember and tell myself. And, like, maybe someone else can benefit from this, but, like, you try to do something and, like, you fell at it. And it's like, it can get discouraging. But you just got to keep going. It's like, if no one else, like, you got to believe in your own dreams. And sometimes it's like a lot of people around you, it's like they don't see the vision. So it's kind of like sometimes you feel like you're just all by yourself. And that can be a lonely place to be, but you just got to keep on keeping on and have faith in God. That's really what I say. It's like, well, I'm not alone because I have God. But does anybody else see the vision around me? I truly don't think a lot of people see my vision around me. I think a lot of people are probably laughing at me, but oh well. You just got to keep on keeping on. So that's all I got to really say, guys. Just keep on keeping on your dreams and your goals and your ideas. Don't ever quit. Don't let anybody talk you out of your visions. As far as work goes, I'm getting switched to the afternoon shift. That's the shift I actually signed up for. It's going to be 3 o'clock to 11:30. It's kind of bittersweet. It starts next Monday, Wednesday today. First paycheck coming Friday, which is pretty exciting. It's a little bit more than I thought it was going to be, so that's pretty exciting. I want to use some of that money to improve my diet and eat more protein. But kind of lost my train of thought with all that whole thing right there. What was I saying? You just got to keep on keeping on. Oh yeah, and the going to the afternoon shift. Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of going to be bittersweet because I do enjoy having my evenings off. It is nice getting off work and being home in the evenings. But it will also be nice not having to wake up and being able to sleep in. And really, it got to the point where I really wasn't doing much in the evenings, guys, and I felt like I was wasting time. And, like, I feel like, for myself, maybe it would be better for me to be able to wake up when I want in the morning, fully rested, get a workout in. If I have anything else that I need to do, well, I'll have the time during the day to do it. And I do like to keep an eye on the stock market. And, well, I don't make trades every day, but I'll be able to be around to do trades. And I'll be able to keep an eye on the market. And, anyways, I just figured, like, get into a new routine of, like, waking up and doing my workout stuff and my stock stuff. And then go and work till 3 to 11 and trying to get to bed, like, at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock the next day if I can. I don't want to stay up till, like, 5 o'clock in the morning. I want to get home. I want to get off work at 11 and be in bed by, like, 1 o'clock in the morning so I can make the next day productive as well. And really just keep being productive, guys. And like I talked about becoming financially free in my last video, and like, yeah, I do want to win with finances, and like I don't think you're really free in life until you're financially free, and like I don't think it's as hard as what people say it is. Like, it's not easy. Like, you got to do the work and you got to put the effort in, but like I just see a lot of people out there not even like looking into this stuff, and they're just living paycheck to paycheck to paycheck to paycheck, and like I want more out of life than that. So I could go on and on, guys, and maybe I should open up even more on camera about some other stuff, but about what I really want. But I don't think this is the video for that. But I just, you know, you get to a point in life where you've done stuff and you've had experiences, and like, for example, I want to figure out my own living space. Like, do I want to buy property or do I want to buy a house? And I've talked about buying a house versus buying property. Like, personally, I think I'd probably be better off buying property, but anyways, I'm getting too long into this conversation right now. And I got to get to work tomorrow, so I'm going to end it right here. And if you're watching still, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, guys, just keep on keeping on and set goals. And just keep doing the things you know you got to do to get better. That's what I'm really aiming at, guys. One day at a time. And I will see you in the next one.